Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Godanda Raman. In this section, we are going to discuss with game theory problem. Look at this problem. Consider the 3x3 game played by the player A and B and solve it to optimality. So, player A, B given, the values are given. Now, to solve this, now consider this is a player A and player B. First of all, to calculate row minimum and row minimum, first row minimum minus 20, second row minimum minus 25, third row minimum minus 50. Then column maximum, the column maximum, first column 20 maximum, second column 25 maximum, third column 50 maximum. In this minimum value, choose maximum. Which one is the maximum? Minus 20 maximum. Therefore, the name is maximin. And here in maximum value, choose minimum. 20 is the minimum. It's a minimax. Therefore, maximin, min max values are minus 20 and 20 is not equal. Therefore, no saddle point. The problem when it's a 2x2, when is given 2x2, it's a mixed strategy to apply with using mixed strategy to find the value of the game. But here it's given 3x3, the 3x3 is reduced to 2x2 using dominance property then to solve this problem. Therefore, first of all, so dominance property is nothing but dominance property row wise comparison, the two row, compare any two row x, row y, compare any two row, the row x is greater than or equal to row y, then delete minimum row, the minimum row is y, and sum of any two row x plus row y is greater than or equal to row z, then delete minimum row z. This is a row wise condition. Then column wise condition. Column, first one, column x, column y, the column x less than or equal to column y, therefore delete maximum column y, delete. Then sum of any two column x, column y less than or equal to column z, then delete maximum column z. So this is the properties of dominance. Now see the problem. In this problem, compare with any two row. So row wise comparison, first row wise comparison. Now row 1, row 2, I'm just doing order wise comparison, so only we will not miss any row, 1 2 1 3 2 3. Now first row, second row comparison, when I compare minus 25 minimum but 25 next element 25 maximum. So all the each row when I compare all the elements are maximum or minimum. Here minus 20 is minimum, therefore the 1 and 2 is not possible to compare. Then row 1 row 3 comparison, row 1 row 3 comparison. Here 20 equal and minus 50 is minimum, 50 equal, therefore this is possible to compare. So row 1 is greater than or equal to row 3, therefore delete minimum row 3. So this row to delete. So therefore 20 minus 20 50 minus 25 25 minus 25, 1 2 1 2 3. Now compare with the column. So column 1 column 2, comparison of column 1 column 2. When I compare, see maximum value 20, but this is a minimum, therefore not possible to compare with column 1 column 2. Now next compare with column. So column 1 column 3, comparison of column 1 column 3. For here 50 maximum minus 25 equal, its comparison is possible. So column 1 less than or equal to column 3, therefore delete maximum column 3. Therefore we have 20 minus 20 20 minus 20 minus 25 25. So this is a 1 2 1 2. Now next, using mixed strategy technique, using mixed strategy technique. So mixed strategy is nothing but, see, 20 minus 20 minus 25 and 25. So don't miss to write this value 1 2 1 2. Now take the difference of first row. Difference means highest number minus of the lowest number. Then this difference 20 minus of minus 20. 20 minus of minus 20. Should write here. This difference to write here. So therefore 40. Okay. This is a 40. Then this difference 25 minus of minus 25, 50. This 20 25, 20 minus of minus 25, 45. Here also 45. Now to consider, this is a P1 P2 Q1 Q2. Now how to calculate P1 equal to the P1 50 divided by 50 plus 40. Therefore 50 divided by 50 plus 40, 50 by 90, 5 by 9. Then P2 40 divided by 5 plus 40, 40 by 90, 4 by 9. Then P3 deleted the value 0. Then Q1. Q1 means this is a Q1. So 45 divided by 45 plus 45, So 45 by 90, 1 by 2. Then Q2 again 45 by 45 plus 45, 45 by 90 equal to 1 by 2. Then Q3 deleted, therefore the value 0. Then value of the game. So the value of the game is nothing but compare with the row or column. So now when I compare this column and this column, comparison this one, this one. So 20 into 50, value of the game, 20 into 50 plus 20 minus 25 into 40, minus 25 into 40 divided by 50 plus 40. So when I multiply this, 100 minus 100 by 90, 0. So therefore the answer how should write here? A of P1, P2, P3 and B of Q1, Q2, Q3, then value of the game. So A of P1 value, A of P1 5 by 9, 4 by 9, 0 and B of 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 0, then value of the game 0. So this is a value of the game. So this is your final answer. Thank you.